So about the end of year 2019, we all know what happened in 2022, but in 2019, we as EFS reached a maturity level whereby 97% of the FM processes that we have were considered automated, as in they were using a level of technology that enhanced the processes. But we wanted to take it to the next level. For us, the next level was incorporating sensors, wearable technology, mobility applications, integrated solutions to improve our services. Now, before going to the use cases, I want to tell you in general what were the impacts that we've had when we started using the wearable technology, the mobility applications, and the IoT. The first one was we were able to do interactive, proactive, live monitoring of our processes, our performance, our KPIs, our SLA compliance. We were able to have an in-depth insight to our operations on the ground. Our management had a bird's eye view of what's going on across 22 countries, about 800 projects, at a single interactive and alive dashboard. When we integrated sensors, we were able to increase our ability, our capability to analyze data. We've had flows and loads of data coming to us, and we were able to increase our analysis capabilities, which gave us the insight and the ability to make more informed decisions. Lastly, the one thing that every facility operator craves and needs is alerts and notifications, and not post-fact notifications, not when an SLA fails or when an asset fails, but before an asset fails. Predictive alerts, predictive notifications that allows us to catch what's going to happen before it happens and rectify it just in time. Now I'm going to start showing you some of the use cases I selected and the numbers that came out of those analyses we've done. First project is an Abu Dhabi aviation project where we have implemented a mobile application. Before that, let me take you through a quick summary of what we refer to as a mobile application. Now, the former speaker mentioned that mobile applications are just a matter of download, click, and play. But the content of the mobile application is what sets the difference between one mobile app and the other. What the app can serve you is what makes the difference. So the mobile application that we built catered for all aspects of stakeholders. Workers on the ground were able to perform all types of work orders, whether it's reactive, planned, corrective, any action that is required on the work order itself in terms of approvals, escalations, notifications, messaging, communication, collaboration, material provisions were being catered for in the mobile application. Our customers were able to communicate with us in means other than just picking a phone to call a call center or send us an email to raise a request. They were able to raise their service requests. They were able to get notifications of progress. They were able to get quotations, prices, approvals through the mobile application. We were able also to provide our facility operators with the opportunity to carry out periodic asset management, condition assessment, asset verification that happens every 6 months in every project, right? And that all through the mobile app. So we basically brought the CAFM in general, the entirety of the CAFM, to a mobile application. We were able to also have dashboards, reports, analytical dashboards, and we were able to see what our resources are doing at any point of time through the mobile application. And lastly, all the facility administration tasks that are required, we brought them into the mobile app. We were able to do quality assessments, inspection audits, and so on. Now, I said that we implemented this in one of our projects in Abu Dhabi, an aviation project. Here are the numbers that we achieved. We had a 78% increase in our productivity. We've had 82% increase in our efficiency, our workers' efficiency. We had a 59% increase in our visibility to what's going on the ground, and 38% cost reduction, And that is mainly driven by the elimination of papers completely on that project. Now, this data is across 12 months of implementation, where we have measured our costs, our productivity, our compliance, our KPIs in the previous 12 months and the 12 months of utilization. The next use case was a smart asset management. Asset lifecycle management by introducing sensors related to the HVAC systems, the mechanical systems, electrical lighting systems, plumbing systems, fire and safety systems, and utility and energy management. By introducing those sensors, those IoTs, we have achieved 45% increased productivity in that particular project. Similarly, a 12-month period of analysis. We actually increased the efficiency by 73% within 12 months. This is an aviation project in India. Our visibility, our management's visibility, the bird's eye view that I mentioned earlier, increased by 52%. And finally, we had 31% reduction in cost, and that was mainly based on manpower utilization. We had improved our manpower. My last use case is the implementation of smart washroom solutions in one of our aviation projects. So we have implemented a smart washroom solution that introduced air quality control. It introduced sensors for dispensers that issue out alerts and notifications when those dispensers' content goes below the limit, surface wetness sensors, motion and occupancy detection sensors, water tap sensors, and room temperature sensors. Now, all those sensors were not just implemented and operated in silos. They were integrated with our in-house built CAFM application, FMPro, and the result was 32% increased productivity, 41% increased efficiency. This is on the cleaners only, and I will give you some numbers. Let me know if those make sense. We've had 64% increase in customer satisfaction. This is in an airport where ASQ is the measure, and 64% is a record that we hit in 2020, which was remarkable. It was unprecedented. We've had 27% in cost reduction, mainly from materials and consumables optimization. I leave you with one conclusion, which is operationally, IoTs, wearables, and mobility solutions will enhance processes. They will improve productivity and efficiency. They will increase your cost saving and your cost control. And it will have a significant impact on an enterprise's top and bottom lines. But the key is successful and correct implementation.